Hey everyone, Elissa here with Mattress Clarity. Now, whether it's coming from you or your partner, there is no doubt about it, snoring can get annoying. And sure, there are lots of over-the-counter remedies that can help, but did you know that your mattress can also help alleviate snoring? Today, we're going to be looking at the best mattresses for people who snore. We'll go over their firmness, feel, and unique features to help you find the right one for you. You ready? Let's get started. Before I dive in, if you want to take a look at some of our top picks for mattresses, head over to mattressclarity.com. There you'll also find in-depth reviews for pillows, mattress toppers, bedding, and more. And you'll find some great coupons for these mattresses in the YouTube description below. Now you might be wondering, what causes snoring anyway? Well, the short answer is that snoring happens when you breathe through a partially blocked airway. This can happen for many different reasons, and if it's causing a significant disruption in your life, we recommend getting an expert medical opinion from your doctor. It can be difficult to completely cure snoring, but your mattress can definitely make it better. Here are a few things to look for. First, you want to check your alignment. If your throat and neck are aligned, you're going to be less likely to snore. So make sure you find a mattress that supports your spine and provides plenty of comfort. Next, you'll want to find something that is hypoallergenic. Dust mites, mold, and allergens can trigger snoring and make it way worse. So if you're already susceptible to allergens, we recommend finding something made from hypoallergenic materials. Third, you'll want to consider your sleeping position. If you're a back sleeper, you might be more susceptible to snoring because your airways are narrower in this sleeping position. Some people find relief by switching to their side, so make sure to find a mattress that will feel comfortable in this sleeping position. And you may want to consider getting an adjustable base. By elevating your head, you can allow more room to open up your airway, which can help alleviate snoring. Now onto the mattresses themselves. First up, we've got the Saatva Classic with the lineal base. Saatva is already known for creating mattresses that provide comfort and support, and that's exactly what you should look for if you tend to snore. But best of all, Saatva's mattresses have 3 different firmness levels and 2 heights to choose from. We recommend the luxury firm version if you're a back sleeper. Most side sleepers will prefer the soft plush, and if you're a stomach sleeper, make sure to get that firm mattress. Saatva mattresses have a classic hybrid construction with sturdy coils at the bottom for support, memory foam for pressure relief, and a nice pillow top for extra body contouring. And this gives it a well-balanced, classic inner spring feel. When you press into it, it will immediately spring back into place. Another great way to help with snoring is by adding the Saatva lineal base. You can put this in many different positions, but the best way is to lift up the head slightly to keep those air passages open and help relieve snoring. Some mattresses can trap dust mites and allergens, and that can lead to snoring, but that won't be a problem at all with the Avocado Green mattress. This bed has strong coils at the bottom, and for comfort, it has a 3-inch layer of organic Dunlop latex. And if you want to add an extra layer of comfort on top of that, you can get the additional pillow top. Plus, this mattress is made with organic cotton and wool. Overall, the mattress has a nice medium firm feel. On our firmness scale, we consider 6.5 medium firm, the industry standard, and that's right where the Avocado is. This means that it works well for most average weight back and side sleepers, and it'll provide comfort and support, exactly what you need if you frequently snore. Don't want to break the bank? Totally understand. The Brooklyn Bedding Signature is a fantastic choice if you're on a budget. This bed comes in 3 different firmness levels. You've got soft, medium, and firm, so it works for a wide variety of different sleeping positions and body types. The medium firm feels right at the industry standard at a 6.5 out of 10. This is going to work well for most average weight back and side sleepers. If you need more pressure relief, opt for the soft option. And if you're a stomach sleeper, make sure you get a firm option so that your body stays in the proper alignment. The Brooklyn Bedding Signature has a classic hybrid construction with coils at the bottom and Titan Flex memory foam at the top. This foam is infused with Brooklyn Bedding's proprietary gel, which helps pull heat away from the body to keep you cool all night long. Plus, with our coupons in the YouTube description below, you can save even more money on this affordable mattress There's a lot to love about the Brooklyn Bedding signature. So we know that if you tend to snore, back sleeping isn't really going to help you too much. But if this is your preferred sleeping position, you want to make sure that your bed will help you stay supported and comfy all night long. And if that's the case, you want to check out the Helix Midnight Mattress. This bed has a hybrid construction with sturdy coils at the bottom, polyfoam for support, and memory foam for extra pressure relief, body contouring, and comfort. This construction gives the bed a nice balanced foam feel. So you'll still get a little bit of that slow moving memory foam action at the top, but because there's coils underneath, you're not gonna feel like you're sinking into the mattress and getting stuck there. This mattress feels like a 7 out of 10 on our firmness scale, so it's slightly firmer than the industry standard, which means this could be a great choice if you're a little bit heavier. So the best way to alleviate snoring is to elevate your head while you're sleeping. And if this is the route you want to take, we recommend considering the Casper All Foam mattress with adjustable base. Now, the mattress itself already provides a great balance of comfort and support, and that is thanks to its zoned support system. That means it feels firmer in the center and softer towards the head and the foot of the mattress, making it a great fit for most side and back sleepers. This mattress is made with AirScape foam, which is more breathable than most memory foam mattresses. It provides great body contouring and pressure relief. But what sets this base apart from the rest is that it has an anti-snore setting. So when you hit the button, it will gently elevate the head of the bed, which will help you open up the airways and help you prevent snoring. But it also has some other unique bells and whistles built in. You can easily pre-save your favorite settings so that you don't have to go back and search for it. It has a nice massage feature and USB ports are built in. If you snore, it's always best to rest on your side. And the Layla mattress is one of the best mattresses for side sleepers. This bed has a unique flippable design. It feels soft on one side and firmer on the other. But if you're a side sleeper, definitely check out the soft side. This mattress has thermogel in the cover, which will help dissipate heat, and it has copper infused memory foam, which also helps keep the mattress cool. So if you tend to trap heat at night, this won't be a problem at all with the Layla. Before I wrap up, I'm going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about the best mattresses for people who snore. First up, what is the best mattress for people who snore? Well, I just did a whole video about it and you have some great options in front of you. But ultimately, you want to find a mattress that will help you maintain a neutral spine alignment, a mattress that can help you if you're a side sleeper, and to really make things better, consider getting an adjustable base. Second question. Do adjustable bases help with snoring? And the answer is yes. This is probably the easiest and fastest way to help with snoring. If you elevate your head, you'll keep those airways open, which can help you alleviate snoring. And our final question is, can your mattress make you snore? The answer is no, not really. If you're already prone to snoring, that is what it is. But your mattress can help you alleviate snoring by providing the proper spinal support or by allowing you to lift up your head and open up those airways. Well, that's about it. If you need any more information about mattresses, mattress toppers, pillows, and bedding, head over to mattressclarity.com. There you'll also find the individual reviews for the best mattresses for people who snore. And check out the YouTube description below for some excellent savings on these beds. And if you love this video, we have tons more just like it on our YouTube channel. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.